who was already my subscriber. That's why I was shocked because he was a teacher. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Grow with Mamata. Guys, this is Mamata, and guys, first of all, guys, good morning. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about 4 most important habits that you need to inculcate in your each and every single day, and these are going to regarding to speak English. I've been doing it, that's why I thought let's share it with my friends so that they can do it, and maybe you must be doing all these because everyone is so aware of health and mental peace, all these things like that. So without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. First habit that I would like to talk about is that meditation. Meditation is something that makes our mind peaceful, mellowed out and concentrated. Once we go to focus on something, once we are studying anything that you are doing, everything needs concentration, focus. So how can you make our mind to focus on something? So this is the best tool to train your mind to focus on something. It is like an exercise to train your mind how to focus, right? So start doing this. We do exercise for our body muscles. The same thing, we have to do something for our brain muscles. That's the thing that you have to do, is that you have to meditate each and every single day. Don't make a difficult task for you. Just make simple task for you. Make simple talk. What does that mean? It means you have to meditate only for 10 minutes. Start it from 10 minutes. Your mind will feel, oh, only 10 minutes I have to do this. Once you say I'm going to meditate for 30 minutes, so your mind will think 30 minutes, oh, I'll do it next day. No, you have to say, you have to cheat your mind, you have to deceive your mind. Mind is extremely powerful, so play with it carefully. So just say, okay, I'm gonna meditate only 10 minutes. I started like this, that's why I'm saying, once I say to myself I'm going to meditate for 30 minutes, my mind will say, oh, 30 minutes, oh my god, my back would be paining if I do 30 minutes, my legs would be paining like that. So these all excuses start coming in my way. So what I do, I say only 10 minutes. If you're not able to do 10 minutes, you have to say 5 minutes. I'm going to do this only for 5 minutes. In this way you have to start doing this, okay, and do this really. Let me know in the comment down below how many of you guys are doing meditation each and every single day. So let's talk about the second habit. Second habit is reading. Reading is extremely powerful, guys. Once I read, mine feels like, wow, what I have done to myself. Means once we read something, our mind goes in that again. It is another way to train your mind to concentrate on something. And reading is a little boring thing, as I know. If I talk about myself, so I'm a more of a person who does not like reading, but even still I'm doing this. I aim to complete a book, so I'm reading. So that's what I'm telling you guys. You have to read it each and every single day regarding to improve your English language. In order to improve your English language, in order to improve your English speaking skill, you have to do this. Read every single day. Again, I want to tell you, don't make big and huge vast task for you that I'm going to read books. Today I'm going to be reading books for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. I'll read 10 pages. I'll read 15 pages. Today it's just an excuse. It's just an excuse. For example, you are saying, today I will not read. Tomorrow I will read 10 pages. You have to say, today I'm going to read only 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Start from 10 minutes. Once you give a little task to your mind will feel comfortable, more comfortable to do that. So imbibe this. Okay, you will do it for 10 minutes, and next day you have to increase the timing. You can do it for 15 minutes and 20 minutes. That's how I do. That's why I'm saying long term habits take years to be formed. So don't worry about it. Do this each and every single day. I want you to get used to it, guys. I want you to inculcate these habits early in the morning. Once we do something early in the morning, once we manage our time early in the morning, so our mind feels like I have achieved something, I am a winner. So the possibility is your entire day would be meaningful once you make your morning time meaningful, and this is what needs to be done. Let's talk about third habit. Third habit is writing. Start writing, guys. We are scripting our thoughts. What's going on in your head, you are writing them down, and then you can analyze them, you can reassess them. What's going on in my head? Really, any problem, anything that's going on in your life, you can write them down, you can script them, and then you can analyze them. So write each and every single day. Write your thoughts, and you will say what to write. Once I go to write, I don't know what to write. So let me tell you what you can do. For example, you go to write something, you're going to write something, and then you have to do only one thing, guys. You have to think in your head that what's going on in my mind as this moment. You have to write that. Talk about your future plans. What am I going to do with my life? How I want to treat with my life? What kind of life that I am pursuing for myself? What if I speak in English? How many opportunities I will get that? All these stuffs like that, you can write them down, you can script them. This is what needs to be done, and really do it. I want you to get used to it, and I'm doing this. I could not say anymore. Okay, this was the third habit that I have talked about, and let's talk about the fourth one. Fourth is really, I love this. Fourth is exercise. You would say exercise. I know, guys, exercise, I cannot say how important it is, and I do it each and every single day with full of commitment that I have committed myself that each and every single day I will exercise no matter what happens. Okay, so I want you to get used to it. Exercise each and every single day. Most of you guys would say, I do not have time. I do not have time to exercise for 30 minutes. Start from 10 minutes. Start from a little amount of time. Don't make huge tasks. Your mind will be procrastinating that. So never go in a procrastination mode. Start from 10 minutes. So exercise, do exercise each and every single day. How can you do exercise? Maybe you can watch some English videos, English exercising video. I don't know why people don't do exercise. They know importance of exercising. So be fair with your body. Do good things with your body. Okay, take care of your body. No one is going to take care of your body. Only you can take care of your body. These 4 habits that I have talked about. First one was meditation. Meditation I have talked about, and second reading, third writing, fourth exercise. These are very simple. You have to start from 10 minutes. 40 minutes you have to give. Guys, some of the guys are coming in my way. They are disturbing me. Okay, so let's back to the topic. Topic is that if you do not have time for exercising, that means you have nothing, guys. If you do not have time for your body, for yourself, what will you do, guys? Nothing like that. Okay, so incorporate all these habits into your each and every single day life. Guys, it needs your fortitude, resilience, patience, and there are tons and tons of excuses to not do this, but only one reason is enough, And guys, you must imbibe these habits elegantly. Initially, it looks monotonous, but once you start doing this, once it gets your habit, once it gets your habit, you can't stop yourself to do this. As it happens to me, if one day if I don't exercise for some reason, I feel like I have missed something. We don't say I don't have time to brush my teeth. The same way, because that's your habit to brush your teeth. You've been doing this for several years. So as you brush, the same thing you have to feel it, that as I brush my teeth, the same thing, it is my habit. I have to do this. There is no any other option. And guys, the moment we bring something in practice, either we will fail or we will succeed. Whether you fail or you succeed, you need to let it go and keep on building you practice. So one day I was walking with my friend, something popped up in my head. I thought, let's talk on a call, and randomly I got a teacher by the name of Biswajit Roy, and he was a great mentor and he made me inspire a lot. And he gave me a piece of advice, and really thank you sir for that. And guys, who was already my subscriber, that's why I was shocked, because he was a teacher. Lots of thanks. So thank you very much for watching my video up to the very end. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe this and like this video and leave a comment. Okay, bye bye and take care. Bye.